It's August 9th, 2022. Here's some new flowers growing from this wildflower pot. Not too sure what flowers this is. Looks pretty interesting. And here's the mint. You can see some powdery mildew growing on the leaves. It's pretty bad actually. Most of the leaves are dusted with this powdery mildew. Other than that, here's the sweet basil. If you look closely over here, right here, you can see some flowers forming. Thai basil, not seeing any flowers. And over here, I clean up the sweet peas. And here you can see a lot of sweet peas that are ready to be harvested. Here are the raspberries. A lot of new fruits are still forming. And here are some fruits that I can harvest today. And there's more behind the bushes. Here are the blueberries. A lot more have turned blue. And they can be harvested today. Here's the tomato. Some of the fruits has finally started to turn red, like these ones over here. You can see one of them is redder. This one is, I think it's the oldest one, the most mature one. These can probably be harvested pretty soon. Let's see. Over here, you can see a few more tomatoes turning red. These can also be harvested pretty soon. And here's just a bunch of tomatoes still maturing. Over here's the Cuban sweet pepper, still getting bigger. Over here's the shishito peppers. Looks like a lot more peppers has formed, and they're all getting bigger also. And here's the jalapeno. Here's another pepper forming, and this one I think is the biggest and the oldest pepper from this season so far. And this is the harvest I did today. Lots of blueberries. Some sweet peas and tiny bits of raspberries, mostly broken apart. One interesting thing from California poppy is the seed pods. Here you can see a seed pod that has split and the seeds are gone. Here you can see more seed pods without the seeds, it's empty. Basically what it does, it opens up and then it shoots out the seeds like a little spring. And here you can see some seeds left in this seed pod. Here's the moss rose. The seedlings are getting quite big. And I planted some more last week, and you can see they're already germinating. Here's a lot of new moss rose seedlings all over the pod. I planted a lot of them. Let's take a look at the frizzle sizzle. The new leaves are looking quite curly. Means it's getting a lot of sunlight. The bulbs, as you can see, have split into multiple bulbs. here, I think this one has split into 4 or 5, and that one's into 2. I also clean up the petal leaf succulents. Here's the hydrangea. The new flowers are changing colors now. These ones get some of the purple-blue hues, and the older flowers are sort of fading. Well, not fading, but the colors are fading.